Anatom Field Solutions here with a quick tutorial on establishing the Bluetooth connection between an iPad, such as our field iPad rentals, with an iSXBlue II sub-meter GNSS receiver. So to do this with any receiver, you go into Settings and choose the Bluetooth option there. You can see we've got it toggled on, and it's just going to search for all the Bluetooth options available nearby. You can see at any given time we have a lot of receivers here in the office that we're testing or using. So we're going to choose our iSXBlue II here, and it's going to spin there for a second until it establishes the connection. And the great thing about using the iOS devices over an Android or a Windows device is iOS seems to have a much stronger connection. So once we establish a connection with the receiver, we can turn the receiver or the iPad on or off, and it's always going to remember connection to that one particular receiver. It's pretty rock solid. I like it quite a bit. So here we're going to open our iSXBlue application here. Now we can see this is kind of our main position here. You can see on the bottom left it's called the location tab. One confusing thing here, you can see there's the internal option and the external option there with latitude, longitude, and altitude or elevation. What you need to keep in mind is that the one that you're interested in is the external. That's just telling you that, hey, that's the iSXBlue II receiver you're connected to. The internal is the core location of the iPad or tablet itself, and we're not interested in that. We want to focus on the external because that's our higher accuracy. You can also see on the bottom left there our horizontal accuracy. Right now it's 0.42 meters, and fixed type is DGPS, meaning that we are receiving SBAS corrections, and that's what's getting us down to sub-meter accuracy. You can also see GPS and GLONASS used. You can see there's 11 GPS satellites that the receiver is receiving information from right now, and 6 GLONASS. And then if we click on our satellites tab there, we can see a sky plot of the satellites above us, and this will change over time because the satellites are moving above us, except for the SBAS. Those stay stationary over North America. So we can see we're selected GPS. Those are the satellites we're connected to. WAS, those are our SBAS satellites. You can see all 3 of them are above us, and also GLONASS. So right now we're receiving geolocation information from 3 constellations. The other one that is kind of useful, I often open just at the very beginning to make sure that information's flowing between my receiver and my tablet, is just this data tab, and you can see this is just raw NMEA data just scrolling. As long as it's scrolling up, that means that we're receiving information. So that's a quick tutorial, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We offer full sales and rentals of tablets and numerous GNSS receivers, and we can help you with software options also. Thank you, and please check out the other videos on our site.